Unit 3 review. Hope you enjoyed the music this chapter. It's all old stuff. I know most of the stuff I put on here is old, but this is like way old stuff, all right? So the first thing you need to know are the different angles. Remember, if they, so we have these two right here. They're both inside the parallel lines. That means they are what? Same side, because they're on the same side of the transversal, same side interior angles. What else could we have? Let's say we had Z and X. Those are inside, but they're on opposite or alternate interior angles, right? We could have had that. We could also have this, A and B. Those are alternate exterior angles, right? What about A and Z? When they're in the same space in the grouping, they are corresponding angles. So you need to know those relationships. We really, hammered that a lot in that chapter. So we have to solve. These are alternate exterior angles, and you need to know that when we have those and the lines are parallel, then they're equal. So you set up an equation. So 125 equals x plus 128. Subtract 128. X equals negative 3. All right, remember, we're not saying the angle is negative 3 because that couldn't be, but we're saying x is negative 3. If you look, negative 3 plus 128 is 125. Next one, find the value that makes it parallel. So if these two lines are going to be parallel, then these are same side interior. They need to add up to 180. So 100 plus 8x minus 8 equals 180. 100 minus 8 is 92 plus 8x equals 180. I need to subtract 92 from both sides, right? Okay, so 180 minus 92 is going to give me 88. So 8x equals 88. Divide by 8, and we get x is 11. Okay? Moving on. Triangle. How many degrees in a triangle? 180, that big number. So 4x plus 10 plus 70 plus 60 equals 180. 60 plus 70 is 130, plus 10 is 140. So 4x plus 140 equals 180. Subtract 140. 4x equals 40. Divide by 4. X is 10. Okay? See the next one. Oh, these are remote interior angles. Remember, they add up to equal the exterior angle. So 91 equals 8x plus 4 plus 14x minus 1. So now we have 91 equals 8x and 14x is 22x. 4 minus 1 is 3. Subtract 3. 88 equals 22x. Divide by 22. And x is 4. There you have that. All right, we need to find this. To find this, we need to find this angle here. Well, this is a vertical here, so if I can find this, we're going to set. How many degrees in a triangle? 180, 40 and 50, that's already 90. So 180 minus 90 gives us 90. So this is 90, which makes this 90. So now we have 90 plus 61 plus what equals 180? So 90 plus 61 is 151. And that should be 29 degrees. All right. Slope-intercept form. Remember, we always have y equals mx plus b. Let's see, we have an x. We have a y. Perpendicular means I take my slope and I flip it. I have a negative reciprocal. So my slope here is going to be positive 3 halves. Positive 3 halves. So my y was 5. My m was 3 halves. My x was 4 plus b. 2 goes into 4 twice. 3 times 2 is 6. So 5 equals 6 plus b. Subtract 6. Negative 1 equals b. And here we go. Y equals 3 halves x minus 1. All right, so that is the review. All right. Good luck on the Unit 3 test. Make sure you check your review answers. If you have questions, make sure you ask your teacher before you take it. You don't want to take tests twice. They're so long. You want to take those once. So best of luck.